How long before you have an exit should you start thinking about this stuff? 6 months? Is that a long enough time frame or?
Yes, but I also think if your plan is to exit, you should start thinking about it because there's some really neat pieces that if you already have it in place, you don't have to put in all that work right then and lose out on a lot of opportunity. So life insurance policies, annuities, we have convertibility of ownership, right?
Right.
Your corporation can own the policy. You can own the policy. We can move it into your estate. We can move it into an ILIT, an irrevocable life insurance trust. So now we can hold it at arm's length and not increase the value of your estate. So you end up paying a whole lot more in estate tax. There's a lot of neat things we can do. And if the policies already exist, it's infinitely easier. So those policies and the utilities we use those policies for, I think that if any business owner or any entrepreneur, anyone who's planning on coming into money has a hope for or a desire for an exit, they really ought to start putting some pieces in place. And we can find useful utilities for that policy right now. And down the road, we can convert that policy into something else that is more useful at that time. And so, yeah, I think when you're coming up on exit, 6 months is like a minimum for ethical planning. I think the sooner the better. Okay. And all it does is increase how effective we can be with whatever solutions we're bringing to the table.